We're going to do a box break of limited 2011-12. That's cool. Okay, here we go. Okay. Simone Gagne. Duncan Keith.
Their numbers.
Bernie Parent. All numbered. A jumbo
Look at the numbers.
jersey card of Saku Koivu on the Ducks. Numbered out of 99. Luke Robitaille of the Kings. Retired numbers out of 99.
Is it amazing?
Not really. Actually, I don't know. A Adam Henrique freshman jumbo signed, and all that cool stuff there.
Numbered to 99.
And a
That's cool.
Tyler Seguin trademarks out of 299. And a Patrice Bergeron with the cup out of 199. And that's all we got.
Not too bad.